Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Today I'm bringing you a little sweet recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Nonna Maria 1433. Okay, next. Today in Italy is the Immaculate Conception. It's a big holiday. That's the beginning of the festivity for before Christmas, like we have it for Thanksgiving, and we do the tree for Thanksgiving night. Over there is the Immaculate or Mary, and they make Sfince. I cut the dosage because it's only for one. I can get it to my son, for my grandchildren. So I'm just making, maybe I'm going to give some to some neighbor, but I never see anybody. But anyway, so here's the flour, a potato, one. I already mixed the yeast with the water and sugar. And this is the sugar and cinnamon that we're going to do it later. The dosage, and you can double it for your family, is 300 grams of flour, 00, 300 grams of water, 100 grams of boiled potatoes, 8 grams yeast, 1 pinch of salt, and a little sugar. And the granulated sugar and with the cinnamon for the end. But of course, I cut it in half. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we put the flour here. Like I said, I cut my dosage. And we put, it's only one little potato. Because the dosage is cut. You can double, triple, it all depends on your family. And we mix it with the fork. After we mix it, also the potatoes in with the fork, we start adding the water little by little, and we're still mixing with the fork. Still mixing it with the fork, like this. They do it also with their hand. Like you have to put hair in it. I had a little bit more water because it was not enough for me. So maybe I made a mistake counting the dosage. See, let's work it out a little bit longer. Oh God, my hand. I haven't done this in a while. Well, I never used to do it. My father and my mom used to do this. My grandma. I just ate it. Crazy nonna here. Okay. A little bit more. Now Now I cover it and put it in the oven with the light on. Okay, I'm back. I was mortified before. See, I washed. The sink was full of little cups. I washed everything. I said, I'm sorry. I love to clean while I'm cooking. So that's what I'm doing. Let's start. Here's the rice. Okay. Let's see what comes up. This is the first time I'm making it. Okay. The oil, I think, is what? If you don't have a thermometer, this is the way. When the little bubbles come around the spoon, it's ready! Okay. Let me see. Put a little amount. Okie dokie. Only 3 for now. And we turn it until they're nice and blonde. Keep on turning it. I don't know, instead of round, this is kind of square. But anyway, here they are. And yes, we doing and turning. I think they're good for this one. Okay, and we put it here so the excess oil, and we continue. Okie dokie. I think this is way better. Okay. Oops. Another 3. And now we fried them all. Look over here. One came out huge. I didn't want to make 2 or 3 little ones. Now, we took out the excess oil. They've been staying there for a while. I already start putting it in the cinnamon granulated sugar. Then we're gonna see how soft they are inside. Oh my goodness, they feel so soft. Comes the sugar part. We're gonna open one, and you see how nice and soft they are. Hold the sugar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the best part. The sugar. Hope I did a great job. Okay, this is big. Okay, we're gonna do what I'm gonna put more sugar because this takes a lot of sugar and right now it's not taking any. Anyway, let me see which one. Let's see this one. Look how soft they are. Yummy! Oh my God. They like a cloud. More sugar. I did a good job. And here they are, my Sfince per l'Immacolata Concezione. Un bacione. Bye bye.